The impact on Earth if we had two moons would be significant and far-reaching. The presence of two large celestial bodies close to our planet would have a significant impact on how our planet moves, interacts with the solar system, and affects life on Earth. One of the most obvious consequences of having two moons would be a change in the Earth's rotation. Two moons' gravitational pull would have a significant impact on our planet's axial tilt and rotation, potentially leading to more frequent and intense earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Furthermore, the presence of two moons would change how our planet experiences tides. Tides are caused by the moon's gravitational pull on Earth's oceans. The tides would be much stronger with two moons, potentially causing destructive tidal waves and coastal erosion. This could have disastrous consequences for coastal communities and marine life. Another significant effect of having two moons is how they affect Earth's orbit. The two moons would collaborate to change the Earth's orbit, potentially affecting our planet's climate. This could result in more extreme weather patterns, such as longer and more severe droughts and hotter and colder temperatures. The presence of two moons could have profound cultural and religious implications for human society. The moon is a symbol of power, femininity, and fertility in many cultures and religions. With two moons in the sky, these cultural and religious associations are likely to shift, potentially spawning new myths and legends about the celestial bodies. Having two moons would open up a plethora of new possibilities for scientific exploration and discovery. The moons would almost certainly be abundant in minerals and other valuable resources, ushering in a new era of space exploration and development. Furthermore, studying two moons would yield a wealth of new information about the formation and evolution of our solar system, as well as the origins of life on Earth. The presence of two moons would also have a significant impact on the planet's magnetic field. The magnetic field plays an important role in shielding the Earth from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. However, the presence of two moons would change the strength and shape of the magnetic field, potentially reducing its effectiveness. This could have serious ramifications for Earth's life, as it would expose the planet to harmful radiation, which could harm or even kill plants, animals, and humans. The presence of two moons would also affect the night sky, making it more dramatic and spectacular. More lunar eclipses and other celestial events would occur with two moons in the sky, likely capturing the imagination and wonder of people all over the world. The increased activity in the night sky could spark a renewed interest in astronomy and space exploration, as well as a greater appreciation for the beauty and complexity of our universe. Furthermore, having two moons would have an impact on satellite communications and navigation because the increased gravitational pull from two moons would affect satellite orbits. This could lead to more frequent and costly adjustments to satellite orbits, as well as the loss of satellites. It could, however, lead to the development of new satellite navigation and communication technologies, which would improve our ability to stay connected and navigate our world. In terms of wildlife, the presence of two moons would most likely have a significant impact on animal behavior and migration patterns. Many animals, including birds and sea creatures, rely on the moon to help them navigate and reproduce. The presence of two moons would change these patterns, potentially causing changes in species distribution and abundance. Furthermore, increased tidal activity has the potential to have a significant impact on marine ecosystems, potentially leading to the extinction of some species and the emergence of new ones. Finally, it's worth considering how having two moons would affect the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. If life exists on other planets and moons, the presence of multiple moons is likely to have an impact on them as well. This has significant implications for the search for life elsewhere in the universe because it suggests that multi-moon systems are common and that life is more likely to be found in these systems. Finally, having two moons on Earth would have far-reaching and complex consequences. While some of the consequences would be difficult and potentially dangerous, they would also open up new avenues for scientific research, technological advancement, and cultural exploration. The presence of two moons would change our understanding of the universe and our place within it, and would most likely inspire future generations of scientists, artists, and dreamers to investigate the mysteries of our world and beyond. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and comment below. And if you want more crazy facts, subscribe and press the bell icon.